that bad yet. Yeah, knock on glass.
It's slippery.
It's still slippery.
But it's pretty wet now. The expressway would be awful.
Oh, this isn't the goodbye that I wanted to have. Well, Peace Corps always lectures all about being flexible.
Yeah. Be ready.
This is like the ultimate in flexibility and readiness, I think, in my opinion. It's 3:05 p.m. on Tuesday, when my flight was supposed to be 6:05 a.m. on Wednesday. I just found out 4 hours ago that I had to fly. I wasn't packed, I was in my pajamas. I had laundry to do, and I haven't had breakfast or coffee. So I'm pretty upset right now. I did it though, I'm really proud about that.
Oh. A little help from your friends.
With a lot of help from my friends. I really appreciate it. Lori and my mom and dad. I do appreciate that a lot. So, here goes.